Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and today we're gonna unbox some Hoyas. But first I wanted to just quickly say I don't want this video to come off as insensitive. I have a package and I wanted to share the joy for plants with you and bring you some positivity. But I hope you are aware of what is happening in the world, how Black Lives Matter, and how we all need to look inside as well as take action to help this movement keep going and not just be a one day where we'll post little black squares and then that's it. So that's what I'm personally working on, and I hope that you will join me on that, or if you're already on that path, yay, let's keep it going. So for today, I got this box from Eurotropicals again. Lots of Hoyas to be unboxed. So let's just get into it, I guess. I feel a little bit strange for being happy about these plants and sharing that with you. I don't want to overcrowd any Black voices that we have in this community and people of color. Actually, I shared a lot of really beautiful YouTube and Instagram accounts on my Instagram, and I'm going to also add all of their handles in the description below here, and maybe I'll try and link them if I can in the video in the little boxy thing, because there are so many Black creators on here that I love. One of them is Trav. He is a yoga teacher like me, and he just started his YouTube, so check him out. And Houseplants does beautiful videos. I love her vibe. There's Gerard's horticulture culture. I keep trying to say that right. Sorry, Gerard. And there's many, many more. So please take a moment before we're going to unbox all these Hoyas to check out those accounts and to subscribe to those accounts and to watch those videos to see that there are people of all different colors putting out beautiful planty content. And it doesn't just have to be white people and white female that you're looking at all day when you're watching your plant videos. Now let's get this box. It's a big box. I'm sharing this order with two friends, Ronya again from the previous order and Floor this time. Her Instagram is Foliage Floor, I think. Let me get my scissors. Now we already know what this looks like. Lots of, this is so fun. Lots of paper, newspaper, I guess, cut up. Let's see what we can find in here. I see some soil. I see lots of pots. Let's just start. Oh wow, that's a very long plant. This looks like the cinnamonifolia. But that's just a guess. We'll figure it out. Because now I know that she actually puts this on the little pots. Yes. Cinnamonifolia purpurifusca. And I learned from the previous order that as soon as you get the order from her, you're actually advised to repot these plants. And that's a little bit against our nature because we want to let plants, how do you say? Acclimate? I think that's the right word. Acclimatiseren in Dutch. And she said, no, you actually have to repot because the medium might not be right for your house, your location. And also, in case it is shipped a little bit too wet, get them out of the wet soil right away. So that's what I'm going to be doing after this, because last time, sadly, I had a few plants that didn't make it. And that's what this actually is. This is a replacement plant for one that died. And I have to say, it's a lot bigger than the previous ones. Thank you so much, Isabel. This is beautiful. The next one. Ooh, this looks, oh, I didn't even show you. Hold on. So, sorry. I'm a bit chaotic today. My brain is somewhere else. This is the cinnamonifolia. Nice chunky leaves. And look how long that tendril is. You probably can't even see that. But here we go. This is very nice. Stay safe with the baby leaves, please. So this is the Hoya croniana Eskimo replacement, because that plant sadly did not make it at all. And I'm pretty impressed by her service in this. Here is, yes, get it out of the little sock. I just hoovered yesterday, and this is Croniana Eskimo. That looks really good. There is some new leaves on there. There's a little new growth point here as well. Let me try and get that close up to you. I'm hiding behind another plant so you can see. And there's a new growth point here. Ooh, and it looks like there's a new growth point here as well. So that's a happy little plant. I hope I can keep it that way. And this actually looks like it rooted, so I can try and root that in a little sideways pot. That's adorable. Next. What is this? I think this is the Potsy. I'm getting better at Hoya IDs, guys. Finally. Some of you ask me advice about Hoyas, and I always say I'm a Hoya beginner. I don't know. But I feel like I'm starting to get it now. It's just about learning, just like with all the other things that we're probably learning about right now. You have to put in some effort. Ooh, no, this is actually different. Anyway, so yeah, put in some effort into whatever you're working on and you will get better at it. Just like racism or anti-racism. That's more important. This is actually a Camphorifolia. So I ordered 2 of these, one for me and one for my friend Floor. This one, it's falling over. It's quite a full little pot. Some big leaves over here and then a new growth point. So there's 2 little tendrily bits here. Ooh. And the new leaves on this get a beautiful color, especially if you give them a little bit more light. So I'm excited to see how this grows. It is covered in sand a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna clean those leaves and you'll be able to see them in full glory. I'm going quite fast because we have quite a lot of pots in this box. Here we go. I think this is another Camphorifolia. Yeah, Camphorifolia. This one has one little tendril here that's turning into 2. So that's really cool. You'll be able to hopefully see the nice lines on these leaves. It's a little bit dusty, but that's okay. And there's one more growth point here where you can really see what I love about these plants, the little lines. Yeah, very pretty. We'll have to pick which one is for me and which one is for Floor. But like you probably know, I always pick the better ones for my friends. Also because they watch these videos and I don't want them to think that I'm hogging all the good plants. But yeah. Let's see what this is. These are some nice and splashy leaves. This is the species Louis Provence. I don't know. So I think this is one for Floor or Wenya. You can see there's nice splash on these leaves. It's actually really pretty. And then there's a new growth point here, but this leaf has gone yellow, so that's probably going to fall off. But there is a new little pointy thing here. I hope this comes off on camera. Very cute. I should tell you the prices. I have not, but I will put them in the screen. As I was filming the close-ups, I noticed that this Louis Provence actually has a little peduncle. This one is for Floor. Look at that. How adorable. I don't think this will survive the trip, but keep your fingers crossed that this little guy stays and flowers for her right away. We've got a few more. Ooh, this is a long one as well. Oh, long tendrils with roots. There we go. This, oh, is adorable. I hope this one is for me. I want this one. I'll show you why in a moment. Where's the name? Ah, the Potsy, yes. See? This is a replacement for the plant that my friend ordered because it wasn't doing well at all, sadly. And why I said that I really want this plant is because of this. The new leaves are so beautiful. They can get a little sun stress and they'll become red. And this actually is a very full plant, although it is very dehydrated. It definitely needs some water, but I prefer them to be thirsty and to be wet. So You can actually see here as well that the soil is pretty much dry right now, but I don't mind. I'm gonna take care of them in a moment. So that sits there. Let's see what else have we got. Oh, this is adorable. I think this is a Mathilde. And it's pretty big. This is a very, very full plant. It looks amazing. I have a cutting of this and it's tiny, so this is very nice to see how it can look. I see a lot of new growth points, a lot of baby leaves and tendrils. So I think Ronya will be very happy with this. Yeah, lots of new baby leaves. Wow. I'm trying to show you, but they are tiny. So there's leaves here and then here as well. There's just new growth everywhere. That's amazing. This table is going to be full soon. Let me just pop this in between here. Okay, keep going. What is this? Oh, this is mine. I saw this in Alessia's video, and when she put it under her Grow Light, the same brand that I also have, Mars Hydro, it started to be so cute that I needed to buy this. Ooh, soil coming out. So this is Hoya Camingiana. It's very different from any Hoyas that I have so far, as the leaves are a little bit more normal looking, like might as well just be any regular houseplant. But when you put this in high light, it becomes kind of brownish, dark. And I love that. So I'm going to see how this does for me. I'm going to put it under my big grow light and let it grow like crazy. Hers was growing so fast that I hope mine does that too. It's actually standing up. I think this will need a trellis. Oh my God, there's a few more. Lovely eye. Oh, this is mine. Haha. I forgot I ordered this. Well, I forgot everything I ordered basically. This is Hoya Lobby Eye that looks really nice. It has 2 tendrils and some activated growth points. Oh, I like it. And some new leaves, very adorable. These baby leaves on these. Can I try and show you? There we go. Some baby leaves there, some baby leaves there. And I don't know why, but I thought when I researched this plant, I thought it looked very cool, so I wanted to try it. This is also pretty floppy, so pretty dry, but that's good. I'm not complaining about plants being dry. I think 2 more. What have we got here? That was easy. This is a, oh, cute. Oh, it broke a leaf though. Bicorolla HSI 037. This is the gift plant. This looks very nice. And because my friend Ronya was the first one to initiate this order, this plant will be for her. I don't really know much to say about this because I have never heard of it, but I like the lighter green leaves with the little veins in them. And there is some new growth on the way here. And in this little point as well, there will be a new little tendril coming out. So that looks adorable. I think this is the last one, and I kind of kept it for last because it's the coolest one, I think. And the most expensive one. Basically, all of these plants were between 8 and 20 euros. This one being the one that was 20. So this is Hoya crassipetiolata. I will try and get it out first. It is super long. I love the darker veins on this. If you look at this against the light, you can actually see it like this as well, I think. There are lighter leaves with very dark veins on them. Ooh, smacking myself in the face with a little tendril. And it actually looks super healthy. There is new growth on basically all of the eyes. So that's really exciting that this is going to be a pretty big plant for Hoya. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I can understand why so many people wanted it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Sending you so much love and positivity, and hopefully also plenty happiness. See you in the next one. Bye. My cat is gonna love that box and pee in it again.